Elevate your woodworking projects with the PORTER Cable 6-amp hand planer. Power, precision, and versatility all in one tool. Get ready for smoother cuts, better control, and a cleaner workspace. Introducing the PORTER Cable hand planer, 6-amp, 5/64" PC60 THP, your ultimate companion for all your woodworking projects. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a DIY enthusiast, this versatile hand planer delivers the power and precision you need for smooth, consistent results every time. Let's explore what makes this tool a must-have addition to your workshop. Smooth cuts with heavy-duty power. At the heart of this hand planer is a robust 6-amp motor, designed to deliver smooth cuts even through the toughest materials. With an impressive 16,500 RPM, you can be sure that you're getting fast material removal, allowing you to get your projects done more efficiently. Keep your workspace clean. Nobody likes a messy work area. With the PORTER Cable hand planer, you can attach a dust extractor bag on either side of the tool, allowing for flexible and efficient dust collection. This feature helps keep your workspace clean and minimizes cleanup time. Precision depth control. This hand planer offers unparalleled depth control thanks to its overmold depth knob with 10 positive steps. Whether you need a light touch or a deeper cut, the multiple depth control settings let you customize the planer to suit your project's needs. This level of control ensures you get the exact finish you're looking for. Versatile chamfering options. Need to create clean edges or decorative details? The PORTER Cable hand planer features 3 chamfering grooves, giving you multiple options for edge chamfering. This versatility makes it ideal for a wide range of applications, from creating furniture pieces to trimming doors. Quality and control. A high-quality 11.5-inch cast aluminum shoe adds stability and control, enabling you to achieve a high-quality finish with each pass. The 5/64" depth of cut allows you to remove excess material quickly, while the maximum rabbet depth of 0.47 inches lets you remove more material per pass. What's included? This hand planer comes with everything you need to get started. 2 carbide cutting blades, a wrench, a dust bag, and an edge guide. Plus, with a 3-year limited manufacturer's warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing you're investing in a reliable tool. So, if you're looking for a powerful, precise, and versatile hand planer, the PORTER Cable hand planer, 6-amp, 5/64" PC60 THP, is the perfect choice. Experience smooth cuts, enhanced control, and a cleaner workspace with this high-quality tool. Order yours today and elevate your woodworking projects to the next level.